welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video, we're going to be looking at prime numbers and composite numbers. So how do we know the difference between a prime and a composite number? Well, a prime number has two factors, and only two factors. So we've got four examples here on the left-hand side. The number 7 can only be divided by 1 and 7. Same with 13, 1 and 13, 11, 1 and 11, 19, 1 and 19. Okay, so one way to find the different factors of a number is to split them into pairs of numbers that multiply to make it. So with the number 6, we know we can find 6 by multiplying 1 and 6, but we can also do it by multiplying 2 and 3. And that means that 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. And so it is not a prime number, it is therefore a composite number. 12, we have 1 multiplied by 12, but we also have 2 multiplied by 6, and even 3 multiplied by 4, which means that it has more than 2 factors and is again composite. 16, we can do 1 times 16. But we can also do 2 multiplied by 8, and we can do 4 multiplied by 4. 27, we can do 1 multiplied by 27, and also 3 multiplied by 9. So the numbers 6, 12, 16 and 27 are all composite numbers. Now there is a little trick that you can do to determine the prime numbers up to 100. These are the prime numbers up to 100, but basically it comes down to this. If a number is less than 100 and cannot be divided by 2, 3, 5 or 7, then the number is prime. Now there are a couple of exceptions. Firstly, the numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7 themselves. And finally, the number 1. 1 only has one factor, so we cannot consider it to be prime. But if I was to go through and erase all of the numbers that divide by 2, so 2, and then if we take all of the numbers that are left that are divisible by 3, so 9, that's 9. Then remove all the multiples of 5, so 2. And then finally any final multiples of 7. And what you are left with are all of the prime numbers up to 100. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube. And also don't forget the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.